Automatic digital vehicle condition detection holds enormous potential for savings and sales and will radically change the process landscape of the industry. Through digital networking, we can offer a seamless overall process that ranges from status assessment to certified reports. License plate recognition automatically assigns the owner and chassis number. Depending on the equipment, the scanner records the entire outer skin, including the roof and underbody, as well as the condition of the rims and tires. A unique feature of our process is the connection of multiple AI systems that automatically detect damage. Kilometers are verified, previous damages, open technical actions or repairs are checked. The system automatically calculates the repair costs for the identified damages. The defects detected by the AI can also be verified by trained experts within a few minutes. All data relevant for a complete condition report is automatically drawn from a wide variety of sources. The system automatically calculates the repair costs for the identified damages and creates a repair cost estimate. Factoring in all data, the system then calculates the current residual value of the vehicle. An online connection to appraisal companies enables immediate remote certification of the appraisal. In this way, a certified appraisal of the vehicle condition can be created within a few minutes. Tutronic, digital condition assessment from A to Z.